Hi, I'm Guy Cook, and welcome to 2024's first edition, our first episode, I should say, of the Guy R. Cook Report. This podcast is basically built for people that own websites, people that are responsible for content management and, making it work, okay? And today I'm talking about the difference between a global site tag from Google and the Google Tag Manager. So I've got a document. You can see it there. I prepared this document based on some information I researched about the global site tag and the Google Tag Manager. And first off, we're going to talk about global site tag. Now, it's a new way to connect your Google Analytics to all of your services without adding multiple scripts on the same page, okay? Just one page is going to get it done. This code is a special type of Google Tag Manager container. So unlike Google Tag Manager that requires adding code to every page and platform, so the new user interface, as you can see in the Google document that I got prepared here, is a central place to keep track of all your tracking codes and management thereof. So it's a tag management system, if you will. The Google Tag Manager is going to help with your efforts at monitoring performance of your content, okay? And do take a look at that. Let me scroll back up again. If you're on YouTube, you can see I've scrolled back up. What is the difference between the global site tag and Google Tag Manager? Okay, that's the name of this episode. I think it's going to work. Oh, and hey, contact me. Use the secure contact form on GuyRCook.com. If you like this episode on YouTube, and give it a thumbs up, and then click on the bell and subscribe to future episodes. I've got them so you can get them. It's a wrap.